Hello all. In this tutorial we are discussing about a small function called as count function. Okay, small function called as count function. So what do we do with this function? Okay, by using this count function we can find the number of substrings. Okay, number of substrings present in a given string. Okay, we can find the number of substrings present in a given string. Okay, now let us see an example. Okay, now I have a string called as yes and it contains ABC 3 times. Now I want to count the number of substrings called as ABC in this string by using this count function. Okay, by the help of this s.count function I can find. So how many times it is present? It is present 3 times, right? So it will return the output as 3. Okay, let us see the same thing with an example. Okay, now I have something called as Java and Python. Okay, now in this string, okay, in my string I want to count the number of Javas present. Okay, count the number of Javas. See, Java is present 3 times, so okay, 3 times, so my output is 3. Now I want to find the count of Python. Okay, count of a substring called as Python in this string. So how many times Python is present? Okay, Python is present 2 times, so obviously my output will be 2. Now I want to find something called as count of Ruby. Okay, count of Ruby in this string. Okay, in this string there is no substring called as Ruby, so my count will be 0. Okay, if at all a particular substring is not there, then count function will always return 0. Okay, now here I want to cover a small point. So in count function we can pass the begin index in the end index attributes. Okay, you can pass the begin index and end index attributes. So what happens when we pass the begin index and end index attributes? So if we pass the begin index and end index attribute in that particular substring, okay, from in that particular range, what is my count, that it will return. Okay, now I want to count the number of Javas. Okay, I want to count the number of Javas present in the range 0 to 4. Okay, 0 to 4 in this particular range. See, in 0 to 4 means we have only this Java substring. So in this Java substring, how many Javas are there? Again, only one, right? So that will be my output. Okay, now let me count the substring called as Python in, okay, let me count the substring called as Python in the range 0 to 10. Okay, 0 to 10. From 0 to 10, do we have a substring called as Python? So no, right? So obviously here the count will be something as 0. Okay, again here begin index is inclusive and end index is exclusive. Okay, I hope all of you understand how to count the number of substrings present in a given string along with the, okay, sometimes I mean whenever we are passing the begin index and end index, even that time how to calculate I told you. I hope all of you understand this. Thank you so much. Bye.